planning and running an event might seem straightforward on the surface: set a date, open registrations, and manage attendees. But behind the scenes, event management is a complex system of organizers creating events, administrators handling approvals, payments being processed, and attendees interacting with event details. To capture these interactions in a structured way, developers and analysts often use a use case diagram, one of the most effective tools in UML modeling. A use case diagram is designed to show how different actors, essentially users or external systems, interact with the system being developed. For an event management system, these actors might include the organizer, attendee, and administrator. The system itself contains various use cases, like create event, edit event, view event details, process payment, or delete event. By mapping these out visually, a use case diagram helps clarify the scope of the system and highlights exactly who does what. This makes it an excellent tool for developers, managers, and stakeholders alike, since it explains the system without diving into technical code or architecture. While drawing a diagram on paper can work in a pinch, a professional tool like EdrawMax makes the process faster, cleaner, and far more shareable. EdrawMax offers built-in UML templates and drag-and-drop shapes that streamline the entire workflow. With it, even complex systems like event management can be broken down and presented in a way that's easy to understand. Let's go step by step through creating a use case diagram for an event management system in EdrawMax. The process starts with a blank canvas. Launch EdrawMax, select New, and then Blank Drawing. This gives full control over layout and design, ensuring that the system can be mapped out clearly from the beginning. Next, add the main elements. Drop in the system boundary, labeled Event Management System, then start placing the key use cases inside. These include create event, edit event, process payment, view event detail, and delete event. Around the system box, add the actors, organizer, attendee, and administrator. These represent the people or roles interacting with the system. Once the elements are placed, styling ensures the diagram remains readable. In EdrawMax, it's simple to apply soft colors, rounded shapes, and balanced spacing. With some light styling, the diagram immediately looks more professional and less cluttered, which helps when presenting to stakeholders or clients. The next step is connecting the dots. Link each actor to the use cases they interact with. For example, the organizer connects to create event, edit event, and delete event. The attendee connects to view event detail and process payment. The administrator may be linked to approving or monitoring events. These connections clearly define responsibilities and workflows, showing how different users interact with the system. Labeling is critical for clarity. Every actor, use case, and the system boundary should be given a clear, readable name. Instead of generic labels, precise terms make the diagram self-explanatory, even to those unfamiliar with UML. Finally, once the diagram is complete, export it. EdrawMax supports a variety of formats, but saving as a JPG or PNG makes it easy to include in reports, assignments, or presentations. The final diagram then becomes a polished deliverable that communicates both structure and functionality. By following these steps, building a use case diagram for an event management system becomes simple and effective. Instead of spending hours formatting manually, EdrawMax allows creators to focus on system logic, producing a clean, professional diagram ready to support development and planning, visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your event workflows today with EdrawMax.